This is the Dr. FORHAIR, funny name, Folligen Sea Salt Scaler. It's basically a spa treatment for your scalp that feels like scrubbing away lifetimes of product residue, sweat, and mystery flakes. It's a deep cleaning scalp scrub that you use for a couple of times a week instead of your regular shampoo. And I got this as a gift from a Korean friend, and I was skeptical at first, but it impressed me. What it does is pretty simple. It exfoliates dead skin cells and excess sebum with actual sea salt granules, plus a bit of cooling magic from peppermint. The texture isn't slick like shampoo. It's gritty, let's see if I can open here, salty, and definitely gives you that, ooh, I'm really scrubbing my head. Oh yeah, because you know you are. The sea particles are there to physically lift away buildup from hair products and oils that normally shampoos might miss. Let me just wipe this off here. You massage it into your wet scalp and you feel that refreshing peppermint chill and rinse it out to reveal clean. Yeah, it's still got a bit of salty residue here. Some days it feels amazing, especially if you've been sweating, wearing hats, or just haven't properly washed your hair for a while. It refreshes, helps reduce itchiness, and gives your scalp this invigorated feeling afterwards. There's also stuff in here like biotin, caffeine, and zinc-based ingredients that are meant to support overall scalp health while you scrub. It's intended to deep clean, so if you're gentle with it, that's fine, but you're not supposed to use it often or too aggressively. Otherwise, you might feel it's a bit intense or too drying, especially if your scalp is already sensitive. You could follow up with regular shampoo to make sure every last bit of salt is rinsed out, but I personally have not found that necessary. Just rinse well and your scalp will enjoy a rest from your regular shampoo routine, I think. There you go.